So, good morning, everyone. Let's get started. So, today we're going to go ahead and start with. So, good morning, everyone. Welcome to class. Let's get started. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Let's do the days of the week. So today is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. The month is April. Today is Friday, April the 3rd, 2020. The weather is going to be cloudy, roughly around 85 degrees, a little warm. So our life skills for this week was to wash our hands. Let's continue to do that. Use soap and wait 20 seconds. When should you do that? After going outside, playing with your friends, or using the restroom, or before eating. Remember to stay active, exercise, walk, run, play, everything you can do to have fun and get your mind off everything that's going on. Social skills lessons. Let's talk about how your week is going. Mine's going great. I'm adjusting to everything. It's a little hard, but we're going to get through it. What are you going to do this weekend? I'm going to relax. I'm going to take a break and enjoy some family time. For today's agenda, we'll be doing, those of you that do math, math and reading will only be doing math and IEP. And everybody else will be doing math, science, social studies, and IEP. I believe it's only one person, so the other two do not have to worry.